I received an invitation from Harvey through social media and then an email.
They asked me if I wanted to come out for their new tool unveiling.
What brought me to this event was hanging out with a bunch of cool friends and getting to see a bunch of fun Harvey's tools.
I have not been to this facility before, and my first impression is it's massive. Their tools really speak for themselves. Having the ability to have it in creators' hands, it's really nice to see that they can showcase their products in-house.
When you look at a Harvey tool, you know it's built well. When you try it out, you can't help but want to have one in your own shop.
The fact that you can actually touch it, and see the quality in it, that helps make the decision.
First timer, long time customer, but definitely so impressed with the warehouse and the whole setup. Getting to see the full workshop, getting to see the showroom, the nickel-plated series, definitely impressed.
My first impression looking at the nickel-plated products are just amazing tools. Like, the dust collection is far superior to anything on the market, bar none. The introduction of the bristles across the board, and then all the details they added on the bandsaw is just amazing.
Okay, mind-blowing, like next level. The steel's awesome, but the nickel, once you see it side by side, you're like, I need nickel everything now. It's so shiny and
I'll
soft.
definitely second that. Once you see the nickel and then you see any of the others, you definitely can see the difference.
You know, something like this technology I haven't heard before, and I haven't seen it before from other companies. That kind of technology to protect the surface of your machines, which is amazing, because if you look at my table saw right now, there's a bunch of ring marks everywhere.
I absolutely love that Harvey integrated the nickel plated items and inside of the products themselves, not just on the exterior. I don't have to worry about the moisture inside of the tool causing condensation and therefore rusting the part because it's all nickel plated.
It's the little details. It's all really thought about in the way you interact with the pieces. And like, I love a tangible piece, how it feels when you're interacting with it. And they're always just thinking of the next level.
I feel like they've really thought of the ergonomics of like the user
That's the
end
word.
of it. Is like everything you touch is very tactile, but it like fits very well in your hand, and the user portion of it just is seamless.
Watching the corrosion resistance of it, feeling how smooth the tabletops are, the trunnions were smooth, all the functions were great. Being here, being able to touch it, it would definitely be a top contender.
Well, I think it's a spectacular bargain at the price. The quality of the tools, the innovation that they have with that surface is spectacular, and it will be my next table saw.
On every single detail, there is an elevated touch in comparison to any other tool in that class. As a full-time woodworker, I spend a ton of time in my wood shop, and I spend a ton of time being a nerd. Being where I'm at and doing what I do, this is like a game changer. So I'm really excited to use this product.
Good's not good enough with the Harvey's theme. It's definitely, they're always kaizening it, taking up a notch. You can definitely tell that they've gone from the gold to the regular to now the nickel. I can only imagine where we're gonna go to the next level, whether it's diamond, but it's definitely top notch and next level when it comes to quality.
They put quality ahead of everything. They say, we're gonna make a good woodworking tool, and then we will market it. Doing what I do and being in it in the level that I'm in it, I appreciate that.
I love dealing with the people that Harvey has. The integrity is fantastic. Their knowledge of their company and their products is terrific, and you always know that you're able to trust whatever you're being told.
Love Harvey.
Team Harvey's!